What is going on, everybody? How are you doing this fine Saturday afternoon? It is a beautiful day out, 45 degrees or so. Thought I'd go back out and just hit a few more dumpsters and do a little more activity because it is a gorgeous day, as you can see. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's go to some of my favorite dumpsters and see if we can find some treasure. What we got here today? What do you think this is, guys? Whatever it is, there's quite a bit of it. Oh, you know what it is? It's a drive shaft. And it spins that thing there to like clear out stuff. Yep. So that's all ferrous. I suppose it would go as shred though, right? So we'll grab it for shred. Okay, here we go. So yeah, that would like fit on your drill, and that spins that in there. If I didn't know better, I'd say that was a pretty new outfit. Huh. So I'm back at my telecom dumpster today. I was just here yesterday, and I knew I left this piece of conduit behind. But I just have this feeling that there's more in here than meets the eye, and I was in a hurry. But it's Saturday now, there's nobody around, so I'm going to take my time and see what's in this thing. So, yeah, sure enough. Installation and maintenance manual. Oh. Might be worth something. But that's what we got so far. Alright, this is my bad boy here. Could that be one of my thick aluminum pieces that's got the gold chipboards in it? Hello. What we got here? Oh, it's more copper. Yay! Sweet, more of that copper I just took apart yesterday. Nice. Sweet. It is. That's the bad boy right there I need. More copper. I just had a feeling there was more here than what I could see yesterday. Oh my gosh. There's more copper back there. I don't know what that other thing is. There's more copper cable down there, like corrugated stuff. Yes. More of that copper right down there. Is aluminum. We'll sell it as dirty aluminum. Well, guys, quite a bit of stuff here. Some more beautiful copper. Another one of these guys. It's got the nice gold plated circuit boards in there. More corrugated copper. More copper wire. Well, guys, not a bad haul from one dumpster, huh? Woo! So I really didn't think Pokey was going to be that hard to replace. The gripper is already off. The rhino horn is already off. This thing is already broken. Well, hello there. Hello, my pretties. A bunch of garage door openers all busted up. Very nice. There's some wire there too. Very nice. Nice. There we go. These stupid things they do have a purpose. I want to get that one right there, that metal one sticking out. And I want to see what's in this bag right here. So I got that bag open and there's more parts in there with chain and stuff in there. So we're going to get that out as well. So just pulled these out. They're the one at least is marked bad, but you know those can go as electric motors. What about these guys? I don't know what to do with these. Can these go as shred? Quite a few in there and they're awful heavy. I have to Google that. Hello, pretties. Holy crap, dude. This thing just keeps getting better and better. Holy snaggies. Wow. There's all the motors I got out of that other one. And then this is a good day for scrap metal picking. So check this out. This place does, you know, those DVD paper play, what do you call them? Your jukeboxes. And they just took this sledgehammer here and just beat the heck out of these things. Wow. Good morning, Shaniacs. How is everybody out there this fine Sunday morning? We had to spring forward today, so I think people are still in bed. My video came out, the scrap metal cash out, and it's been slow to get views this morning. I think it's because everybody's schedule is all screwed up. Anyway, we're going to head over here across the bridge here, and we are going to be looking up a few more dumpsters before we call this video quits this morning. We're going to start with Bed Bath & Beyond. Then we're going to go back and get those light ballasts that I left in the dumpster, because I did find out that you can turn them into cash. And then we're going to go over to a new area that I scouted earlier this week, and that will wrap up this video. This is Bed Bath & Beyond. Nothing good today. Nope. This area over here, there's a whole bunch of businesses over here that I've never been to. I've never been behind here before. I know there's a dumpster. But anyway, we're going to check out these businesses today and see what they're all about. Okay, nothing too exciting there. This is a window and siding business. Apparently they just got a couple patio doors sitting up against this dumpster. Huh. That's probably what I would expect from a window and siding business, is just to hold door jambs and some trim wood. I get lucky though, occasionally you get some aluminum out of here. Definitely be worth checking back on. This is Pella Windows. Yeah, there's a fan. That's plastic. Came over here to get that TV over there. Huh. So this is a company called Grand Appliance and TV. It's a distribution center. And obviously they're closed on Sunday. When you come over here, they must leave this stuff out here for scrappers. Right, there's 2 microwaves, and a dishwasher, etc. Which I really want to grab them, but I don't want to get in trouble. And I'm sure I wouldn't, because they are sitting out here in the middle of nothing and nowhere. but I think instead on Monday I'm going to come back in here and just make sure that that is okay with them. That's where they put their scrap at, then I will come back. Gauges up there. Is that copper? I think they see some copper. And some more gauges. And some more gauges. Sweet. That is brass. Brass with some copper on it. Nice gauge set there. Nice gauge set there. That's 3 gauges. That's what I hate about these stupid grabbers. Are terrible. But right now it's all I got. Nice little score there. Very nice. Some steampunk gauges and some brass. Nice little score right there. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap up this video for today. The dumpsters that you saw today being Sunday, those are all pretty much new dumpsters. First time I'm visiting them, and I'm kind of excited to have a new area to go to on the weekends. Overall, I think we did pretty good. You know, we got the copper out of the honey hole, we got the big piece of brass and those bits and those gauges out of that last dumpster. So all in all, I think we had a pretty good couple days of dumpster diving. If you are dumpster diving, I would love to know what you're finding. If you don't have a YouTube channel already, you know, let me know what you're finding out there. Let me know some of your wins down below. I'd love to hear. I'd love to read them in the comments. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and guys, we will definitely see you tomorrow at the next dumpster. Peace out, everybody. We'll see you later. Bye bye.